Hello students, today we shall learn the concept called force and pressure. Force is the product of mass and acceleration, and pressure is force divided by area. To understand what is the difference between force and pressure, we shall do the experiment. Now I am standing on the sand surface and I have taken a metallic scale. When I leave the metal scale vertically, it goes for more depth, and when I leave the metal scale horizontally, it goes for less depth. That is what pressure is. Pressure depends on the area, so pressure is equals to force divided by area. Force depends on mass and acceleration due to gravity. Now we shall see what happens when I leave this scale. The scale goes inside the sand and it is nearly 5.5 centimeters. Now I will take this scale and now I am going to leave the scale horizontally. The scale will not go inside the sand. Why it will not go inside the sand? Even though the force applied is same, because the mass of the scale is same and the acceleration due to gravity is same in both the cases, whether you leave it horizontally or vertically. The force applied is same, but what is different? The area is different. Here, if you leave vertically, the area is less, so it goes for more depth. And when you leave it horizontally, the area becomes more. When the area becomes more, pressure will be less, even though the force is same in both the cases. From this experiment, we can answer few questions. First one is, camels can walk easily in the desert, but humans cannot. Why? The answer is, because camels' legs have more area, so they apply less pressure compared to human. Next one, the sharp knife cuts the fruit easily than the blunt knife, because sharp knife has less area, so it applies more pressure. Next question, hammering a sharp nail is easier than the blunt nail, because sharp nail has less area, so it applies more pressure. Next, a war tanker can move easily in the desert but not cycle. Why? Because war tanker has more area, so it applies less pressure than the cycle, so it moves easily. If you feel the video is useful, then like, share and subscribe our channel.